terms of no, okay. I just want no surgeries that I need to know about in terms of extremities.
No. I'm good. I'm good.
You're hired.
He's good.
Yes.
Yeah, just that up for me. Change that.
Right, so can we keep him?
I know, right? Where do you think I learned all my moves from?
Sure.
Kurt was a big part. I was like, I don't know what I'm doing. Help me. And he did.
Tight hug, deep breath in for me. All the way out. Set up for me. Sorry. Face down first.
But I can feel a difference in it.
Face up.
Okay, does this go left?
Yes.
Wrist.
I'm sorry.
No, you're fine. I'm starting to.
You hit me with the claws.
I know, right? Only chiropractor you know who has nails like that.
Be fun to adjust.
It actually doesn't. I mean, works great for me.
Hypermobile in the elbows.
I've been practicing longer than you.
I've done this.
Oh, I heard that one.
Sit. Face that way.
So I just took over your space.
Yep. Like to run is
It's a cool way to do that.
good for workouts because you're not working out for too much.
Palm up.
My feet sweat a lot, so
Reach across the front of your back.
yeah. Do you think a cougher? Sorry. the picture? Sorry, we're not. You look great.
Wow.